Hello, this is going to be just a very short video quick tip in response to a question on the Modo forums from Chris, who is asking about using a Boolean user channel to toggle visibility of something. In his case, he wanted to toggle the visibility of a mesh. So I'm going to show how that can be done. And actually using a Boolean user channel makes a lot of sense because it's an on-off toggle, and if what you want is to have an on-off type of thing like visible, invisible, that makes a lot of sense. So here I've got a locator, and I'm going to go ahead and go to user channels, add a user channel, and we'll call this hide torus. Its type is going to be Boolean, and we'll say OK to create that. Now over here under the channels, we can scroll to the bottom and we see the hide torus user channel. Click it and drag it over here into the schematic view. Now I'm going to select our mesh item, which is our torus. And looking down here under the channels, we can find the visible channel. Drag it over into the schematic. And now to wire it, we have to create a relationship between this Boolean being on and off and the visibility. And to do that, we go add a modifier. And under channels, you have channel relationship. So we'll select that. And now we wire from the Boolean to the input of the channel relationship and from the output to the visibility of our mesh. So now when I select this relationship modifier, you get this little interface. And what it's showing you up here under the driver is our Boolean, and right now it's unchecked, and it's saying when it's unchecked our visibility will be 0, which is true, we can see the torus. But now we're going to say when it's checked, I want my visibility to be 3, to be invisible. Now you'll see this little square in the center is turned yellow, and that means that we need to be able to set a key for that. So I'm going to click that, and now we've set a key. So we have two keys. We have when the Boolean is unchecked, the torus is going to be visible, and our other key is when it's checked, the torus is going to be invisible. So I'm going to hit space to drop this, and now we can come up here to our locator. I'm going to select the locator, and over here under assembly, I'm going to go down to command and set the command to being item channel haul. And what this is going to do is when we select this locator in future, it's going to automatically activate the channel haul for it. So let's go ahead, I'm going to hit space to drop it. So when we select this, there's our channel haul. Pops up automatically. And we've got, you can see the Boolean value is selected, but as I toggle it, our mesh toggles visibility on off. Hit space to drop it. Again, as soon as we select that, we get our channel haul interface. Very convenient. So on a final quick note, if we wanted to make this a little bit fancier, in Modo we use locators for rigging controls. We can come over here to display, and I can just change the locator shape to make it a little bit fancier. I could say custom shape. I'm going to replace the crosshairs that we normally see for the locator, change its shape to, let's say, a not a sphere, let's go with a circle, just a flat circle. We can have it solid, we can make it align with the view so that as we rotate, it always stays aligned to us. We can shrink its radius down a little bit. Up here under the 3D items for it, we can change its label, call it something like on, let's call it hide torus. And just for fun, we'll change its wireframe to being black and its fill to being, I don't know, blue. What the heck? Okay, there we go. So now we have this nice little control, hide torus. We click it, we get our channel haul, and we can hide or show our mesh. So there you go, a quick tip on rigging things using relationship modifiers and Boolean. Hope it helps.